Just a printer? No way. You'll be surprised at all the different types of print and display projects we handle. Yes, we print offset, with one of the most streamlined processes that provides fast estimating and the highest print quality in record time. Digital? Yep, we do that too, with great color and same-day delivery. Not enough? Okay, we are also one of the premier wide format print vendors in town, producing dramatic, eye-catching display work that has become a big part of CC West. From all types of photographic prints, posters, banners, and direct-to-substrate printing, to CNC routing, vehicle wraps, and POPs. You name it, we've done it. So the next time you ask someone, who did that? And the answer comes back CC West, you won't be surprised. CC West Print and Display, a company like no other.